Good morning all, Dave here from Wooden Resin by David. I thought we'd just do you a quick short video on the unveiling of a new router that we have just purchased. You can see that, this is the Trend T12 plunge router that is going to be our dedicated router for our router sled. Ordinarily we use Festool, which is amazing, and in fact the Festool router that was on the sled is currently in for repair. We had a little issue with it. Festool were amazing, made a phone call, literally the following day UPS came out, picked it up, and it's now with them being repaired. But obviously in the meantime we still need this sled up and running, so we decided to go ahead and buy a new router which will dedicate to this. And having used an older Trend router in the meantime on the sled that we borrowed, and being impressed with it, we figured we'd go with Trend on this occasion. So, you know, this is a shout out to Trend, it's a shout out to Festool, and obviously I've got to make you aware this is not a sponsored video in any way, shape or form. Although Trend, Festool, you know, if you want to sponsor us, then please, by all means, reach out, it would be much appreciated. So what we're going to do now is obviously get this set up, get it on the sled, get it up and running, and then we'll follow on with a bit of flattening so that you guys can see it in action. All right?